Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Premiere Pro for file management with Productions step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Select New Project from the Startup window. In the New Project dialog box, locate the Location section. Choose a folder where you want to create your productions. Make sure the Create a Productions checkbox is checked. Click on the OK button to create your production. Once the production is created, you will see a new window open for the production structure. To start organizing your files, right-click on the production folder. Select New Bin from the context menu. Name the bin appropriately for better organization. Inside the bin, you can create additional sub-bins if needed. Import your media files by right-clicking on the bin and selecting Import. Browse your files and select them. Click Open to import the selected files into your bin. To create a sequence, right-click on your media file. Select New Sequence from Clip to generate a sequence based on your selected media. You can rename your sequence for easier navigation. Now, navigate back to the main production folder. You can create a separate bin for sequences to keep everything organized. Right-click on the main production folder again and select New Bin. Name this bin sequence. This helps maintain a clean and structured workflow. If you need to share your production with others, ensure all media files are linked correctly. Use the File menu to save your production frequently. This will minimize the risk of losing your work. To access the production in the future, open Adobe Premiere Pro and select Open Project. Navigate to the location of your saved production. Select it and click Open to resume your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.